Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic, well, it's my hourly planner, but then I've got my daily productivity pages in here, and I normally do 4 spreads in this plan with me, and I decided let's do something different. I'm going to decorate using accessory books. So the Wellness Warrior accessory book, Womankind, what was this one? Radiate Positivity, and Wrong. All right, let's get started. I decided to use just accessory books today because I felt like, you know what, it's good to challenge yourself, Karina, why not? So let's see. I'm gonna use this Choose to Shine right over top here. And it's crooked, but whatever. Then I like these. Ooh, and then today there's actually a lot of good stuff in here. Oh, good. Okay. So I'm going to, let's put that in. Let's do this. And then wipe this out. And, and then wipe that out. And, ooh, I like these. So then maybe let's use the Today in the blue, because that's what I have is in the blue. I'm going to close my door. So maybe to do here, and this will be for my list of meetings. Focus will be up here just for the top 3 things that have to get done on Monday. And then the Today, which will be any notes that I've taken for the day. I mean, I like these stickies. I really do. Let's see. I'd like to find just a box to put here, or even boxes here. Or I could certainly just use the checklist. These boxes work too. Oh, I like those. Okay. Why is it so hard to choose a box? Shouldn't be that hard to choose a box. Okay. I'm gonna go with one yellow. And then use one of these on the side. Choose where your energy goes. I like that. And then I want this one down at the bottom. Or maybe even up here. You know what, I'm gonna put this one. Be present in all things. And that feels crooked. And then place Wellness Warrior up here. And then just to make things interesting, I'm gonna add this. I don't normally do this, but I saw Jess from Knit Plan Jess do this, and I really liked the way that it looked. And then put a pink one. Yeah, I think that looks cute. Just trying something different with what I've got. All right, and then anything else I can add in here? Let's see. Focus on Today. I like that. You got this. But then I don't feel like there's anywhere else I can put this. I'm going to leave it. I do like it. It's just simple. I don't want to stress myself too much by putting way too much on here. But at the same time, I love these stickies. Love those stickies. All of these stickies. Ugh. I'll leave it for now. All right, so that is Plan With Me number 1. The next accessory book is the Wrong, and I don't believe this is available on the Happy Planner anymore. And this is actually a seasonal one. So, how do I want to do this? There's spring. Oh, this is pretty. I can work with this. I can work with all the spring that's in here. Okay. Now I want a sticker to go up here. So I think I'll have to use the Time to Bloom. There's a bit of silver foil on here, which I don't mind. It feels a little wintry, the silver foil. Then a big box down here for my to-do list. I like this. That's pretty. Thing is, with the accessory book, there aren't a ton of what am I trying to say? Decorative stickers. It is mostly functional, which actually I do enjoy. So there's those. No. Okay, I'm gonna take this one, the plan. Where's my whiteout? Put it here. Although, before I do that, I don't have a ton of meetings, so I could certainly use a box. And it wouldn't be too bad if I used a box. So maybe if I combined this one and this one for things that need to be done. Actually, I'm going to turn it on its side like this because I really like this scalloped edging to kind of mark that I do have meetings. So yeah, the bow is now on its side, so I'm actually going to white that out. The floral isn't affected so much, it's just that. So then I'm going to put the noted sticker over today because this is where I do keep my notes. And then priorities will be, it's a big to-do sticker. Now, the plan. Let's do that. And then, I don't know, I don't feel like there is much else that I could add here unless I do, I got it. So kind of combining these down at the bottom to make my own little group of stickers here. And I think I'm really gonna like how it turns out. Yes. Really cute. I'm gonna keep it that way because I don't want to add anything else to it. All right, so that is using the Wrong accessory book. The third plan with me is using the Radiate Positivity, sticker book. And this one has always one that I have struggled with because they're very bright colors. There's a lot of colors on one page, so I've always struggled with how to make this work. But what I think I'm gonna do is take this. Actually, I'm gonna put this here for the today. Oops. And see what else is in there. I'm going to take one of these stickies, if I can pick it up, and actually make it kind of part of the design. So choose joy every day, and then put this over here, and that'll help stick it down. And that's crooked, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, that is like really crooked. And then I will use one of these. Ooh. Or these for the to-do list. Love this. Now, I was going to ask, do I have any quotes in here? I don't think I do. There's those. Oh, there are. Perfect. So I can certainly make this work. Okay. There's those. I like this one along the bottom. Whoops. And I must create always and always. And then place a few of these hearts around. These are cute. Didn't really expect to have anything decorative in here, but I do enjoy that. So these are create, okay. I'm gonna put, oops, today right here. And then priorities will be do this. Oh, I hate when I do that. Do this, and of course, a cup of coffee. So I'm going to place that here. Yes, please. Now, let's see if I can put, I actually really like this, but I don't think it will fit. Let's try. Oh yeah. And that way then I could kind of have 2 columns of notes. Yes, I could so make that work alongside that one. I love it. Okay. And I think, is there anything else I want to add to that? No, I don't think so. Maybe just a busy. No, I feel like that's too much. Daily goal, got this, dinner plans. All right, I'm gonna leave that. And actually that wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. I'm getting there. And this is good to challenge yourself to use sticker books that would normally challenge you, because then you are actually using what you purchased. All right, so let's move on to Plan With Me number 4. The last Plan With Me is with the Womankind accessory book, and I have not used this in ages. So let's, now I'm going to use this. It might be a mistake to not white out over that, but yeah, because you can still see it. Okay. I'm going to take this, and because Thursdays are, strangely enough, a really busy day for me. And it's very similar, this sticker book, to the, what am I calling it? The Radiate Positivity sticker book, in terms of the types of stickers that are available in here. So I'm going to take this and put it next to this. Now, I'm actually going to line it up with the grid. Then, oh, I love this. Rainbow make me smile. Before I do that, let's find a good box for in here for a to-do list. I do like the yellow. Right, and the today's focus. So let's do today's focus. And I feel like there was something else I could have done. No, it's okay. What I'm going to do before I put this sticker down, actually, oh, there's those big ones, is, wow, I've used quite a bit of this book. I'm surprised, actually. Where's those big stickers? Yes. I'm going to place it on this side this time. And there. With a, there's today's stickers, but I think there's another one that I wanted to use instead. Love this, dinner with friends. What is this one? Dream bigger. Sure, why not? Actually, I'm gonna white this out, and you will see the white out on this one, unfortunately, because I'm going to just do this. Then place this Rainbows Make Me Smile right in the bottom, and I'm gonna white this out, and then just place this big long sticker right where it says Real Queens Fix Each Other's Crowns. Cute. It's a little all over the place, but I like it. I like it. I don't think there's anything else I could add to it. There was a page of quotes, which I think I just passed, but that's okay. I'm going to leave that as is. Colorful, yet simple. All right. So that is Plan With Me number 4. So there are all of my finished spreads. This first one with Wellness Warrior, and then with the Wrong Accessory book, and then this one with Radiate Positivity and Womankind. All right, but that is it for me. I'm really glad that I decided to challenge myself with the accessory sticker books because I haven't used them in a long time and I needed to find a way to be able to use them. And with the daily spreads, I think one of the things that challenges me is like, I don't have enough sticker books. Yes, I do. I have more than enough sticker books to do all of my daily pages. I just need to challenge myself to use them. All right, again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.